Welcome to the Davidson Academy online campus's presentation on some of our most frequently asked questions. Parents often ask how students complete science labs in an online classroom setting. The Davidson Academy's online campus mails science kits to all students. These kits include most of the materials that students need to complete labs throughout the course of the year. Some common household items are still needed, and teachers give advance notice at least a week ahead of time before these supplies are required. And yes, you will see in that picture there is a dogfish that student will be dissecting shortly. Labs are usually completed online during live session time. This way the instructor is there to watch the lab and provide any assistance as needed. Students are frequently put in breakout rooms where they're able to collaborate with another classmate on their lab work. Parents often ask how the Davidson Academy handles advanced placement courses. Officially, the Davidson Academy does not offer any advanced placement courses because this would mean we would be bound by the College Board's strict curriculum. This curriculum is often very good for students that are hardworking, but it's not specifically designed for our student population, which is profoundly gifted students. Our courses are typically taught at the university level, and students are often very well prepared to take advanced placement tests at the end of some of our advanced courses if they choose to do so. It is not a requirement for any Davidson Academy course. Our online campus students are welcome to our graduation ceremony that happens in Reno each year. They can attend in person or they can attend remotely using technology. Additionally, Davidson Academy Reno campus and Davidson Academy online students graduate with the same exact diploma. There is no designation as to whether a student attended the online or the Reno campus on their diploma or their transcripts. That's why we're one school with two campuses. Socialization is a huge part of the Davidson Academy life. Students are seeing each other daily in their live sessions where they're using video and audio connectivity to share and learn together. Additionally, we offer opportunities for students to come together in the summer at our retreat that we host in Reno. And during the winter, our parent group puts on a retreat at some location across the US. We also offer clubs and opportunities for students to participate in student council. Some clubs are strictly for online students, while other clubs are collaborative between the Reno campus and the online students. And for parents that reside in the state of California, you're probably very familiar with the UC A through G process. For those of you outside the state of California, this may not matter to you. All of the Davidson Academy courses are currently approved for A through G credit from the UC system, and we plan to continue updating our course list and having additional approvals as new courses are developed. Thank you for your time listening to our frequently asked questions presentation. I do encourage you, if you have additional questions, to please email us at online@davidsongifted.org, or you may sign up to speak to Stacy Hawthorne, Director of the Davidson Academy's online programs at calendly.com/stacyonline/QA. Again, you'll find lots of information on our website, and I encourage you to check that out as well. Thank you. Students at the Davidson Academy attend a variety of universities and colleges after they graduate. Our students have the ability to go to just about any university and have gone to a number of universities across the US. Each student has a unique path, and our college placement counselors are going to help them achieve their goals. You can check our website under academics for a list of the colleges and universities that Davidson Academy students have attended after graduation.